Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today's video is something that I love doing. I picked up two very ordinary items, rather trash lying about in the house, and turned them into something beautiful and useful for my home. I love to do all kinds of trash to treasures, high-end tubes, DIYs, decor, home recipes, everything within budget. And if you love such content, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's video is using trash to create treasure. It's a challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and it's being co-hosted by Yami from the Latina next door. Both Casey and Yami are very talented YouTubers, DIYers. Do check out their channels if you are new to them. The links are given in the description box below, along with the playlist link that they have created. And my today's DIYs, there are two DIYs, and I picked up some very ordinary items. One is an old tile that was lying outside my home, and another is a bottle, a regular bottle that I had, and I liked the shape, and I turned them into two very beautiful items that I can use around in my home. So let's begin my today's DIYs. I found this dirty old tile outside my home, brought it home, cleaned it with soap and water, and dried it. Next, I took a pencil and a ruler and marked 2 inches from the left side of the tile and drew a line. Next, I also marked 2 inches from the top margin and drew a horizontal line parallel to the top margin. Next, I drew parallel lines about 1.5 inches from the horizontal line till it started looking like a notebook page. Now I took red acrylic paint and drew the vertical line and the topmost horizontal line. Believe me, on camera my hand was shaking, but off camera it went a little more steady and looked more stable, neat lines. One can use color pens if you have them. I think they will be more easier to work with. The rest of the lines I drew them in black acrylic paint. Now acrylic paint won't wash off and will be more durable to work with. I found these two beautiful heart prints, and using some glue I pasted them, one on the top of the note page and another on the bottom, and added a layer of glue on top of it to secure it and save it from water. Now my dry erase board is ready. One can write it and wipe it with a clean dry cloth to clear the note and write again. So write down your notes for Valentine's or any other time and use it. For my second DIY, I took this very old medicine bottle. I had kept it for future crafting. I made an acrylic color shade using green, black and white. It would be like a concrete gray, but will have a light green touch to it. I like this modern yet a warm feel of concrete in it. One can use a painter's tape and a label or restrict an area beyond which the paint will not come. I just directly painted my color on the bottle. So I painted the lower half neatly. To give it a more extra look, a step ahead, I added small dots randomly in black, small and a few black, as if those little holes formed in concrete structures. And once this was dry, I added a thin strip of gold, which I did a second coat to enhance the gold on it. Once dry, the vase is ready to decorate any space, and it looks very modern yet very beautiful and very chic. I hope you loved my today's both the DIYs, my today's trash to treasure. If you like the content of my channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Give your thumbs up to this video and write down your comments in the section below. I love to read them. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care.